Alright guys, I decided you got this flashlight and I made this little cover out of cardboard. I'm going to show you guys how I did that and make another one because I'm going to wind up having to have one for the new rifle whenever it comes home. So today I'm going to try out of plastic instead of cardboard and we'll see what happens. I'm going to do a test run, and if it works out I'll record that too. Okay, and here's the end product. Got a round piece we cut out here, slightly bigger than the diameter of the flashlight. A flat piece that we just curled around, taped together, and then a bungee cord, a little tiny bungee cord. Now you can use a piece of string, bootlace, anything like that. I'll do a quick one and I'll show you how I cut all the individual pieces, and then I'll piece it all together for one big video. Okay, to make the round piece for the end, and of course you're not going to use silver duct tape, ladies and gentlemen. This is just inexpensive, quick and easy to show you guys. But you just take a piece of the scrap, you lay your flashlight down on it, take a marker and just trace around the circumference. And if you're worried about getting the marker on your flashlight, you have a problem. You need some professional help. Where I come from, we call that titty baby shit. I mean, that's a non-issue. Why are you worried about that? Well, you just draw you a circle. Like I said, it's going to be slightly bigger than the circumference, the outer diameter of your actual flashlight. Pair of scissors. Craft scissors are perfect. Do not use your girlfriend, wife, boyfriend, whatever the heck it is in this day and age. Don't use their scissors they use to cut cloth, or you will be beat. And you're right, Kimo.
That's right.
That's right. So I'm just, I'm trying to help y'all out so you don't die a painful, violent death. Think Texas Chainsaw Massacre. That's what I'm talking about. They ain't gonna just kill you, they're gonna make you suffer. So you got your little round disc. Now the flat sides, you take a piece and you try it out and see if it'll cover it. And of course this piece will not that way, but you pre-curve it with your hands before you try to hold it. And this is just plastic, ladies and gentlemen. A freaking coffee can. You don't have to go out and get all elaborate. I mean, if you want to, more power to you, but you don't have to. See, it'll come together. So you want it just a touch. And right here, there's a nice crease right here. That's what we'll use as our mark. Just a touch longer than the bezel of the flashlight. Alright, you got it cut out. Nothing special here. Just use your fingers. And see, when I was a kid, my daddy, he shouldn't have, but he did teach me how to roll a cigarette with cigarette papers. Now, all you folks that smoke them left-handed cigarettes, you ought to be able to do this real easy. Alright? All you're doing is having it where it'll meet. Okay, you want a little tiny bit of a crack, and the way I'm holding it, it's not doing it justice on camera, but just a tiny bit of a crack. Alright, looks huge, but really it's not. Now you take your duct tape, pull you out a piece, hold that between your legs, and in between your knees like that. Alright, roll your duct tape onto that. Now take your flashlight and stick in there. And then pull against it like that, and it'll pull it tight. Nice and tight. And just roll it. And you don't want to go crazy tight with it, because then you'll have a problem getting your flashlight in there. One full turn around it. Cut it. Alright, you hear that? Simple, easy, nothing to it. Take your friggin' disc. No, you're not done with your tape yet. I'll have to edit that out. Pull you out a little bit. Take your disc. Stick it in there, just like that, to the tape. Fold it over. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. Do it one more time. Cut it. Now, you want it to look like that. And the reason is, when you set it on top like this, you got that little bit of overhang. Just fold that overhang down. The next piece of tape you're going to use will secure that to the body. This works. It's been on Betsy for years now. I think I purchased that. And that is a mag light. Excuse me, mag light. Surefire light. G7X or something like that. And then I got this new one I just bought, and it is a GPX Pro. Man, I've done went completely crazy with this dang tape. So let's just cut off a piece. Trying to do this on video is a pain in my lower butt. Alright, you just want to center it up by feeling around under the tape. It does not have to be absolutely perfect. This is just a cover to prevent light from reflecting off that lens. If you'll go back, I've got a video showing exactly how bad it is, and it's dealing with the video's dealing with the anti-reflection device I purchased for the 10 power scope I put on the Mossberg Patriot. But in the video you can see the sun was setting and the flashlight was just ridiculously bright without the cover on it. And I actually had to go back and add some brown to it, because it actually stood out worse than I thought it would with camouflage tape, because it's not the correct type of tape for this location. There you go. Okay, just a little cover. Now you take a piece of rope, string, anything, tie a knot in the end of it, lay it on top of it, run some more tape around it, and that is how you secure that. And then you secure this to your weapon. And what you have when you are done is a flashlight cover. Okay, you see how dark it is? Boom, you see how bright that is? That'll give you away in a friggin' split second, and that'll get that third eyeball in your head. You don't want that. So simple, easy. You can use any kind of flimsy cardboard. Just make sure you tape it inside and out and seal it so water doesn't get to it. You can use plastic from a coffee can, just like this Folgers can I cut up. Anything like that you can use to make a cover, a lens cap for your, your weapon light. And then that way you're not seeing that. You're seeing it when it's camouflaged. So just word to the wise. And I mean, I would definitely use camouflage tape, because Sharpie marker, even a good, great Sharpie, even if it dries, it'll eventually wipe right off, and then you'll have that Alabama chrome. So there's another quick do-it-yourself video, ladies and gentlemen. Save your time, money, and effort, plus it'll prevent that third eyeball, the one that would go through here and out the back. Yeah, that one there. Anywho, this is Mac Daddy 191181. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this is helpful some way, shape, or form. This is not rocket science, ladies and gentlemen, but maybe you just hadn't thought about it. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, the thumbs up, share, whatever the case may be.